Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see how to make vanilla sponge cake. Add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of sugar. You can see this is 1 cup. This is 1/4 cup. So total is 1 cup and 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 4 eggs. Blend it with hand blender until the sugar is completely dissolved in the egg mixture and the eggs become fluffier. Take half cup of butter. Melt the butter and add it to the mixture. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend all the wet ingredients. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup of maida. It's an 1:1 ratio with the sugar. The flour is equal to sugar quantity. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve all the dry ingredients as shown. This is a very important step in the cake making. Now mix the ingredients in cut and fold method as shown. Mix thoroughly without any lumps. Grease the baking dish as shown. Add 2 tablespoons of maida and dust all over the baking dish as shown. Pour the cake batter in the baking dish. Tap it twice as shown to get rid of the air bubbles. Place it in the microwave and bake at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, open and check whether the cake is completely baked or not by piercing a clean knife into the cake till the bottom. You can see a clean knife coming out of it. That means cake is ready. Take it out and cool it completely. Once the cake is cooled completely, just slide the knife as shown and help the cake to come out neatly. You can see how cleanly the cake has come out. This is because of the greasing and dusting with the flour. You can have the cake as such. For cake decoration, I have taken amul, fresh cream and whipping cream powder, which is about 100 grams. Add 100 grams of amul fresh cream in a bowl. Now add 100 grams of whipping cream powder. Now take a big bowl, fill with ice cubes. Keep the small bowl with the whipping cream powder and amul cream butter and whip it until you get a stiff peaks out of it as shown. Transfer 1/4 part in a piping bag as shown. Now slice the cake as shown. I have taken the topmost part apart and sliced the cake into 2 equal parts. Now make a sugar syrup out of 2 tablespoons of sugar and water. Once the sugar is melted, add the sugar syrup as shown. This method will help the cream to hold the cake when you apply on it. Add 1 cake piece to the serving plate. Apply the whipping cream mixture as shown. Place another cake piece. Repeat the process. Decorate the piece as you wish. I have made it very simple and easy. If you wish, you can add any food color you may like. Just pipe whatever design you like. I am just dusting with the Cadbury chocolate powder. That's all. Vanilla sponge cake with whipping cream dressing is ready to serve. If you like my simple recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.